black and white. Wanna go out every night, and I'm always super light. If you need
Hey guys, you text to say what emergency. What's the emergency?
But wait there, you never text me say your foot broke. Yes, it's an emergency. I want to know what I'm going to wear to the concert tonight.
At least you know so you can wear a mask. Your face?
Lord, dead. What you want? What you do?
No, she text you from here.
Oh yeah. What's dress before wear?
The grey one.
This? You know, I'm just gonna wear this instead.
Then why you ask me if you're not going to take what we are saying to you?
Because it's not a fashion sense. Duh.
So which concert you go again?
To the Tifa concert.
What time is I keep?
5 o'clock it start. Why?
Because your mother said she didn't come to emancipation part the same time there.
Say what?
Your mother supposed to drop me off at emancipation part the same time your concert start.
Okay.
I did ask your mother first.
Hey, only reason and if my mother give birth to me. Hey, you see? Alright, I mean.
Love me or hate me, I'm just gonna be. If you can't take me eat, come out of my kitchen.
I'm not the new girl anymore, so watch out.
People try to figure me out, but I'm just one of a kind.
I was born and raised in Kingston, Jamaica. This is my time.
For my independent ladies, na 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 na.
I can't wait for God to fit.
Yeah, girl.
It's a got turn up. No, it's a got turn over. We are not really friends now, let's be friends to that one day, yeah. Cool?
Yeah, cool, come eat you.
Me hate you too. Why be not on the door?
A good thing we copy our key.
Just because I'm doing it, we can't start up in the sun so long, you know.
You copy my key again?
Come in, man.
Hello, BOJ headquarters, how may I help?
Yeah, I can't look about the visa stuff more.
I'm sorry, ma'am. The BOJ institution is a financial institution. We don't offer visas here. You might want to try an embassy, and the numbers are listed in the directory, so yeah, you might want to try them. But we don't offer that kind of service. We don't issue visas. I'm sorry.
Hey, back up, yes, girl. Gary, same call the number and him get through, so stop you up against me.
But you have some nerve. I'm trying to help you here and you're telling me all these words.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm going to hang up now. My last words to you, you need Jesus.
Yeah, man, I need Jesus. You outside a go there at mother business where you come from. And everything is your financial institution. I don't care. I don't care.
So funny. Asha, so you still like my defect though?
What you talking about?
Defect one too, I will tell you about.
The scape fest there. I will pass.
But your Bertie? Oh, Tyler. Alia, but at least you got a phone, not it?
Well, me I got somewhere else. Me I got my friend party.
Cool. When that?
Tonight,
When?
6:30.
Hour. That's at the same time when the fed start.
Oh, we look like we have to reschedule.
Somebody said she don't care we first, remember?
Well, it's my mother.
That is so unfair now because it's your mother.
Well, when I get food, I'm gonna have to drive one of them.
Both of our parents are busy.
What that have to do with me?
But we did ask your mother first to carry away.
Again, what that have to do with me?
Shante mother! Shante mother! Mommy!
What's the matter?
Shante mother! No, you don't carry God the fed first. Door? Door?
Mommy, do you say I can be at the party first?
You guys just sort it out among yourselves. I'll be right back, yeah?
I will not say we are God the fed, yeah? Back for that.
Over my dead body.
Raise your hand if you want God the fed. Raise your hand if you want God the party. Majority rules. No. Yes. 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 No. Y-E-S.
N-O, no.
Alright guys, just let's have a bet. What kind of bet? Who say the longest in Shante mother's car get for go wherever they want to go. That sound cool.
That's unfair.
Back chicken. Back chicken. Back chip chip. Back chicken.
Or just shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Alright, never do it. Let's go.
Jamaican gal, me better than a next gal. Move when me passing through. Move, haters can't stop my crew.
Who pass Charnel there?
Yes, I have a better chance to win.
She don't smell tell her. She don't know she bought the car there.
I have the better for me.
Well, I may go in the door still.
If you say so. Chocolate.
You smell chocolate? What chocolate today, yeah?
I smell chocolate. No, chocolate. Let me just box them here. See the chocolate there. And they have me here and stuff.
Get some now where you see me a do. You never name them chocolate, yeah?
Look at
Jamaican gal, me better than a next gal.
man, I saw 6:30.
That was the last blue sweetie. What's like how I like blue sweetie? No, that's unfair. Too unfair. You're too unfair. They're too unfair.
Yes!
No, I should need that teeth and you push me out of the car. You look how teeth in with you.
Ha 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 ha.
What's the teeth, eh? I mean, what's win this? I mean, what's in the two teeth? The two teeth. You push me out of the car. Guys.
Weird. The Chanel that.
Me in the chunk. Are we ready? No!
silent. Long time I see you.
Stop be fake with me now.
What you talk about?
You want hypocrite. Me don't want to say again. You just disgust me.
Why you behave like that?
Cause you are hypocrite and you're fake and you're not a good friend.
How am I not a good friend?
Cause you chat with enough people.
This is Charnel Amaya. What do you think they might talk about? I don't know. You want to find out?
Well, they know say me love Jam already.
Let's go because I need to know what is up. Come and think say Maya never did talk to Charnel.
Don't talk to me like that. You can't talk to me like that.
Me not afraid of you. Me not afraid of you.
Who invited you guys? I was speaking to Charnel.
Come Charnel, let me leave the trash behind.